Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. Reading po ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Para sa personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. Yeah. And meron tayong special channel for Water Sign ha. Water Sign Philippines. Please do check it out. Let's start the reading Water Signs. One last shuffle. Ayan. For Water Sign, please. For the sign of Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Oh, Ten of Swords is here. Might be for some of you, may mga ending na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon with the Hanged Man and the Three of Swords. I feel like ginamit mo lang yung utak mo. Kung bakit nagkakaroon ng ending ngayon. So, maaaring masakit para sa'yo that you have to end this thing. Sobrang nasasaktan ka, nalulungkot ka, nasasaktan ka, at nalulungkot ka. Yan, at the same time. You do have your Nine of Cups. I feel like excited ka rin sa mga bagay na gusto mong or tingin mo ma-accomplish mo. Justice card, yung iba sa inyo, pwede may kinalaman ito sa career. And with the Five of Pentacles, I'm seeing problems with regards to money. Ayan. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga nawalang pera or may mga sabihin na nating may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo, mga taong nawala sa'yo. So, sobrang sakit. Nagkakaroon ng separation, pagkakalayo, maaaring ito ay may kinalaman sa iyong desisyon. Pero tinatry mo maging matatag with the Emperor dahil may mga bagong opportunity na dumadating sa'yo and maybe you are willing to take this. And whatever it is ending, na medyo mahirap para sa'yo, medyo masakit para sa'yo, nakikita natin with the Eight of Swords, wala ka na magagawa. Sa ngayon, wala ka na magagawa. Oo, masakit, malungkot. Pero you are just focusing now sa iyong goal, sa iyong mga pangarap or gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Nandito na lang ang focus mo muna sa ngayon. And with the Judgment, nakikita natin that you are willing to take kung naman mga maririnig mo, kung anong mga matututunan mo, you're willing to take this. And maybe this is what you really want. This is what you really love with the Ace of Cups, no? And maybe this is a new beginning. Nakakita tayo ng mga taong tumutulong para sa'yo para ma-accomplish mo ito with the Moon. Okay? Pero deep inside, you are really in pain. You are really nasasaktan, no? But you see this new beginning na pwedeng magbigay ng victory in the future for you. Hindi man sa ngayon, pero maybe in the future. Okay? So, tell me more messages for Water Sign. One last shuffle for Water Sign. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, para sa mga Water Sign. Okay, for Water Sign, you do have here the Tower. So, yan, meron tayong mga endings talaga na pinagdadaanan ng mga Water Sign ngayon, no? With the Hierophant, I feel like you are here para matutunan yung mga dapat mo pang matutunan. And with the Ace of Wands, nakikita natin that you are focusing on new beginnings. Now, o nag-end na ito, tinatanggap mo na yung ending, masakit, pero tanggap mo na. You do have the Fool. You are now focusing sa journey mo, sa mga bagong adventures sa buhay mo. And now with the Star, you are, actually mataas ang tingin mo ngayon sa sarili mo eh. You feel like you have reached the top I mean, kumpara sa'yo, 10 years or 20 years ago, for iba sa'yo, malayo na yung narating mo eh. Pero you want to grow. You want more. Sino ba namang ayaw, diba? Gusto ng growth. This is you wanting growth. And this is you na pwedeng willing kang i-cut off or tanggalin or alisan yung mga bagay or yung mga tao na maaaring nagiging hadlang sa iyong growth. Or kung hindi man, maybe just in case na magkaroon ng opportunity, you're willing to take this. No? Even na yung iba sa inyo, ang kailangan i-sacrifice is yung family. No? Yung iba sa inyo, ganon. But anyway, you are a water sign wherein nakakoncentrate ka sa iyong emotions, pero this time around, hindi muna ang emotions mo ang pinaiiral mo. Okay? But rather, might be ang utak mo. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you? Ay, punta muna tayo sa challenges. What are the challenges? Challenges for water sign. We have the King of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles ito. So, itong nakikita natin yung bagong beginning. New beginning for you. Nakikita natin na maaaring merong mga bagay na hindi ka magagawa. No? Na maaaring gusto mong gawin, pero hindi mo pwedeng gawin. Mga bagay or lugar na gusto mong puntahan pero hindi mo mapuntahan. Two of Wands is here. Nakakita tayo dito ng mga pagpaplano. Pero maaaring with the Knight of Pentacles, magiging matagal bago may sakatuparan itong mga planong ito. With the with the King of Wands, I feel like you are taking actions for yourself. So, ang challenge dito is that you're facing your life na parang you're alone. For now, you are alone. Okay? Pwedeng hindi mo nakasama yung mga taong nasanay ka nakasama ito. No? Kung ano man yung mga challenges mo, ikaw lang mag-isa. So, medyo maaaring mahirapan ka, hindi ka sanay, ganito, ganyan. Tell me more about the challenges for water sign. Okay, yeah, challenges for you is that regarding dito sa new beginning na ito, nakakita tayo dito ng honestly, I can see money problems. I can see na may mga mawawala sa'yo na importante para sa'yo. And you might feel like hindi ka na welcome, or you might feel like parang mahirap, ganyan, pwedeng mahirapan ka. Nakakita tayo dito ng mga taong hindi mo kayang i-let go. Pero dapat mong i-let go. So, ang challenges sa iyo is maybe may kinalaman pa rin sa emotions. Maybe you need to let them go. You need to focus on this Nine of Pentacles. And yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, ano pang saysay na nag-iipon ako kung hindi ko naman ito magastos sa mga taong nakakapagpasaya sa akin, or kung hindi ko naman ito na hindi, kumbaga, maybe you do value money in the past, pero ngayon, ano nang halaga ng pera? Parang ganon. Oo nga, let's say may pera, pero para saan? Para kanino? Pwedeng ganon. And tell me about the future. Seven of Cups is here. Four of Wands, the Temperance, the World. Six of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, the Devil. I can see you coming back. I can see you coming back. babalik ka din eh. The world is here, so you're coming back to the past. With the Temperance, kasi maaaring may mga bagay kang tinry lang naman, but you're not happy, you're not satisfied. Mas nakikita mo yung stability and yung happiness and yung acceptance doon sa past. So I can see you coming back. You know. But Queen of Wands, and I can see you coming back, but there's a person here. Nakita tayo ng person who has a lot of money, who is very bossy. Nakita tayo dito ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo sa inyo. Parang yun, maybe there's fight. There's pagsasagutan in the past, or but I still see you coming back to this person because mas nakita mo yung value nitong taong ito nung wala na siya. I can see communication. Ayan. Wala ka nang pakialam ngayon. In the future, no? Nakakita tayo na wala ka nang pakialam sa mga bagay na gusto mo. Kasi might be ma-realize mo ano ba talagang totoong nagpapasaya sa'yo. Okay? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.